Hi, my name is Erin Caraway Gregory with the Erin Caraway Group here at Keller Williams Realty. Today I want to share some information with you about solar systems. We're meeting more and more homeowners that are considering selling their properties, but they've recently installed a solar system. Here are 3 reasons why a solar system may not be a good investment for your property. There's a high initial cost for material and installation and a long return on investment. Now, depending on the type of system, it may not pay for itself for about 3 to 7 years after the initial investment. If you're planning on moving in the next few years, it may not make financial sense to install solar power. The solar system may not increase your home's value as much as you think it does. There are a lot of people that believe solar systems add tens of thousands of dollars in value to their home. However, it would be very difficult to claim the house has increased in value as much as the purchase price of the system. Now remember, when selling your home, the property must still meet appraised value, and this depends on the comparables in and around your property. Solar systems pose many challenges for taking them with you if you move. While you may be able to find an installer willing to remove the solar panels and install them somewhere else, the property may not be suitable for solar or require a different system configuration. If you're considering whether or not to install a solar system for your home and would like to know what the value of your property is before making that decision, please let us know. We'd be happy to provide you that necessary information so that you can make the best financial decision. Simply respond back to this email or contact us at erincaraway.com. Thanks so much.